Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155.
Dagi sepangut kinong kerjaan joko National People's Party, kila Risa bat kenhoi, Tang ubah Prestone Tang song, lem bat Kyrtong joko National People's Party, kibla thep Kyrtong Hakhmat ki returning officer, ha Ophis, Jong u Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasiels District, Hanong ba Shillong, ha ke South Rempang araja pulai. Ki Kyrtong ke NPP, kibla thep Kyrtong yang ngi ki long uba tay borlang pathau uban yakon na molai constituency, uba Samlin Malngyang na Soyong constituency, uba Ransom Sutenga na North Shillong constituency, uba Kansing Linsiang na Maukenro constituency, uba Alvin Saukme na Mausenram constituency, uba Kennedy Cornelius Cream na Mauplang constituency. Family.
Who is the election agent?
Me.
Yeah, you have to sign here.
Prestone been nominated as candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Kadang kecik sini akan jadi Prestone, bangala Prestone mentah, berosan sedem, bakam mentah election, ngatri bahaya ni kam, bangala organize dan grassroots level, bang hadu ki area level ke kursi berokoi, masuk kadang kecik kerana menjawab yang di election mentah. Hoi, kaya kebang kecik ni, yang mentah kekenti kalau baik, baik setiap orang. Hari ini itu ada Paidbah mentah, mulai baru bisa punya. Kami ini berker menteri kam, baik sedia dari arsan sedang, kebangga menteri san sedang, kecingkala kawan tak sedang. Jika tahu Paidbah, uyai terjadi kam bapa, baik kecingkasar bapa. Kaya baik sedia yang tak kalau bapa kelah. Hai iba mai, hatu kepor kebah sedang arja katpa. Waktu pesatrai jauh uang bom nongsu, uang lalong ekspedien. Iru seitui. Para trai jung i kongret yang bom he jung i bencong no badon buram dak badon buram nomor ba karta jung i kam nongsu lari besungu Paidbah bencong dak badon buram te ke ai ke ba mai usiu yen tang mendap rukom mar karta kam nongsu aji sanga ngasin sar ga ni ngayo i ba ke jung ki kimbet kimbiang te ai be me in pembe chwe ka ye ngangan tambik penyat bet ya ka konstitusi soyo he bro
Lihat nani orang. Kumalongi mentah nak kalian menjongka parti NPP, kaba ngiyayat keleng sodom jongka jela belak Meghalaya berkoi dekat konsensi di kandidat jadi dekat kum ke jengi kelong balak kum mentah kegerti akan di election ke benlong artinya terik ngiti kena bah bagi dia ya majority absolute majority ke bangin dia apa akan di boy mengasih konstitusi kalau bagi pun kampalat ni absen sian ni penyaj ke jelam baik Meghalaya berkoi dan mereka ke bah nganga kulari ke Paidbah kalau baka kam kan krem kam jam bani ketin bat mendai kata ndon kam banyu yang amar mat den rei ai be jingkerku ki kam ki development ki beper itu cepok konsensi jogi bro ka bangadon man ongkong soba suaban kren dalej verify lada kamlong functional soba ban lej verify ya ka den ko mga ong implementa ki Paidbah jungi apo ka civil supervision purusla aga jaka bikin wan ye decision ki baper ki ya ke supply rum tak lado nanti bat ki babun mentak ki department dan ki branches ki baper ka bangin sadang ra chuju de ko mau pi ya mentah himpat la ban ralut namar badang move ya ke sanction jong ki branches ki baper ten re ko mau pi katu kan itali milale akaba pin ong ya ke ban le registration baper mentah ban finalize ki wholesalers milale ante nang tai ki excise bat ki katu kan ki branches klatre kam action ni uba abayale bat ki ba persya ka bamut baro ai kakta mentang atrai ngidon ko benri nyongut ki banele tigamut abila election disut hul la ka jong ka kamram ka bingile kalau bagi kwa banjok ndei tamanga ndei baro ki candidate ki kwa banjok duplicity of this party as I said to you, because AITC, I don't know, number one, if you talk about the border issue, what they said very clearly, they wanted to scrap the MOU signed between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Assam. That itself proves that these people, they are not at all serious about the issue, the long pending issue of the boundary along the Meghalaya and Assam border. So therefore, ultimately, that, as I said to you, people will judge and people who understand well what they wanted to and what the intention of the TMC, newly, entry party here, they will get the result on the 2nd of March. Well, that I don't know. I can't talk about other parties, but we are committed. We already put one of the manifesto. ILP has to again be followed up by the NPP. Once the mandate is given by the people of the state, we will follow it up, including the languages of Khasi and Garo. Allocation can be made. Anybody can just create confusion among the people. But if you really have that evidence, why not you go as per law? I used to clarify this time and again. I used to tell them, if you have so much allegation against the NPP-led government or the MDA government, please go as per the prescribed norms of laws, where we cannot hide anything. You can do it, and then nobody can hide anything, whatever allegation made by the opposition or by anybody. And I'm telling you right now, the NPP-led government, we have tried our best, and we will continue to complete or to accomplish the aspirations of the people of the state. They can also allege us, or they can also call NPP is the Meghalaya-based party. So it is very open. The ITC starts from where? It started from Bengal only. So the origin of this party is from there. So why do you have to create confusion on that? And I think Dr. Mukul Sangma himself, he joined to the Bengal party. It's very clear. If he wanted to join with NPP, we would have said, yes, he's a citizen of Meghalaya. Therefore, he wanted to strengthen the Meghalaya-based party. But he did not, and he joined the ITC.
Gawai ka mga buo kaman kadika civil subdivision baki Paidbah jo ka Mosram constituency kila anod daki totally kisnam but nga kermen ba dangi poy sa Kyrtong ba inla ban punulong ay kanika jing anod jo ki Paidbah
i ladaki Paidbah idon ka jing thang ban ji dina kumebele ka jing anod ka jonga kalong ba na du basang ban kintiu ya ka roi ka san jong nong song snong haga constituency Borokowe. Kebanyakan ni kalong banuan rakyat ke Government College. Nang ta ke wholesaler center ko constituency dan Prestone halada ni haban kiu sedu selong. Kabar ki kam jungok kai perthai ha constituency dan kam sibul ma. Kabalong kum ka thung kam thung jam habuan kini ka jungok kai perthai ban ke jing yok kam yo jam ki kun samla ha ki kam na jong. Nang ta sude pi ha ke jing I jong constituency. Kum bagalong mentah bagi Paidbah kila debjet pun pau teli kistem ayai ba martel MN mungkin dia bau Paidbah la jet kum tu kum bagalong constituency den rai kini ka jia deti jonganga I hadin bai ba he martel MN mungkin bau Paidbah kentai ha jingjet ha kini ki jia deti jongi kum MLA kistem bagi pon lalino tengang sumi syagni ka lempung kumu nongsong senong utrai jaka trai muluk nang tidak konstitusi bangar nga persang lem bentenrong ye gede kam namar bang idon kam kungi kun samlang di ben mi samat na gede ka thain lejong na galiang jonga asu banong ba kecing kerpar jonga siki Paidbah kelong bakin ai kecing persang lem kilong kini kilong pa bagade kecing jit joki da kecing surit nga kerpan bakin island lem yang aku memeli hagani ka kenti ke bamenta bat kecing kela ka bangan wara kelong lada dia bang job kum memeli kajing angnut ke bangadon kata gelong ba ki Ophis sarkar kum ga peludi ka PHE haga basmesi jongi kampat judon henry nganget bata kajing job jonga kum memeli lada ki Paidbah kecing kini baro kinsa urlong kita gide kajing angnut ki bangadon kum memeli lada ki Paidbah kecing na ka bau basmesi
Syakri la sausna mata bangadon kecing anut bangan Syakri susu snomola tengah diberi belapan kret nak bentar kan ikan kesan komentar di dimong bangidan batno ru kerja kun ni kedai mar bagadi election te borok bayakun lai sementar tu dan ni kata kejele ngingim dan jekun benar-benar yakun namta kabit kebiang snomola kabit kebiang kamtam tu kun samla ki bangadon kecing anut kerpang namta juki kata gede ke bangadon jekun mereka election komentar di ngomong bang yakun emeli ba la japon sen ke jekun ipi namta kabit kebiang snomola nagaliang juga lada ngapoi sekathong sama aja pula kan kejing sekri go bhatam namta snomola ka benta juga election commission ka betha yang kandidat makin habban declare kata criminal case kemangidan dan itu ipi mdei menta natu sama arja khatra mengelian itu ada declare khat khandai la declare gobun tempat substan kutip tamatang kawin makwa nakran buan kini makadang dan subjude sepokut ini ga kecing start yang besar dan buram bukan saai kerai ke kementarnya rekat pempat ai kerai jogi yang besar ngadang deu belului ngadang deu benggut ketang kwa banong baru bagi sutu bagi we kemakran kumwel nrenga ga kecing start yang besar ngasenya bagi yang besar dan buram jogi jelang.
If you contest for anything, you have to be confident. Okay? So, with the support of my family, with the support of the residents of my constituency, I'm confident we're going to win this election. No, actually, the main issue, especially for our constituency, is the employment of the youths, because in our constituency we have educated youths, unemployed educated youths in our constituency. So this is actually the main issue in my constituency. Yeah, actually the person who commented on this is a person from outside. That is, I think, Srimati Bobita, and she don't know the reality of this, because this issue was already solved, brought to the assembly last year in September by the honorable speaker. So I don't have anything to say, because already brought to the assembly, to the assembly, and this issue was already voiced out by the speaker. Yeah, I'm happy because North Shillong considered to be the brain of the state, and also we have the highest number of the candidate this time. And I'm happy because as many candidates as we have, this will bring the fair contest, especially in this constituency. Sitting legislator of North Shillong, yeah, frankly speaking, he's also my friend, and really like for him, I think he's a very nice person also. But I think yeah, he has to put more on the issue of our constituency. And I've seen that there are many issues where it has not been touched by our local representative for the last 5 years. Yeah. Actually, this is actually I only proposed, especially from the CM Special Development Fund, which amount to 58 lakhs 0.76. Okay, and it was alleged. I was also surprised to see today in the newspaper that it was alleged by UDP. But actually, this Special Development Fund by CM, it has no problem. It can be proposed by any person. And if you see, even I've seen today, but Kennedy also, has been, giving a copy. He proposed the scheme and has been, endorsed a copy to him also, and even to me also, and even to everyone. It depends on, on the prerogative of the CM to give the scheme. CM can give to anyone. No, actually, this before the Model Code of Conduct. This is before the Model Code of Conduct. That is 18 already. 18 of January has been issued. The work has been issued on 18 of January. And actually, this is for the development of my constituency now. And if people question for these schemes, that means I don't know what is their motive, because my motive is for the development of the constituency. I propose, for the installation of CCTV in Jail Road, Lower Jail Road, Upper Jail Road. I propose, the installation of CCTV for Police Bazaar. I propose, the installation of CCTV for Jaya Pereng, Dorbar, and so on and so forth. These are for the development of our constituency. So I don't know why people, are allergic to this. Actually, everybody has a right to propose. Even you also can propose. BJP wave in North Shillong, yes, last time there was a wave in 2018. But this time, yeah, it's I think a little moderate now, because people now are educated and they don't really care so much of their party. Now what they say, they want a person who can interact, a person whom they can approach, and also especially a person who can bring development to their, to the constituency itself. And that's why, I requested CM, especially for CM SDF. Okay, it's for the interest of my constituency, and I'm happy. I will be doing more than this.
Oro kijong kam bo Paidbah udon kam kat ki ai bahasa na kamenta ke jengbit jengbiang jong Paidbah konferensi bo kawai kita ke degi mat jengah ki bagi benda kibun health, education, roads, agriculture, employment, what kiwi kat ki badon haglan kia di zonga na kamenta Paidbah ya kita ngantre ki way candidate haba ile election uskem udon ke jengkermen Ndon boko haban do jengkermen. Dengaru ngadon ke jengkermen bar ki Paidbah. Karai ke degi jong Paidbah. Ngasania ban ngaiti hau Paidbah. Ngamla ban ong meno badai nomor ka jing khun junga bat nu ngedon nyungut. Tengala ban ong ngaya khun ron rungut. Kaptip meno di bat long close rival ye kata tengamla ban. Kipon kijing trikam jong ke sarkar pada pipen. Pej ko bodor issue buat ada kebun kejing syak kena kebun kejing syak kena kebun kejing syak kawang ma syak kawang ti henringi I bahkan ni sarkar hakini ke senang gade plat kamat cibun kejing ke isu jong ke motor ka gendrum gendram jong icamati ka gendrum ke CAB ka gendrum corona hendai still kena ke sarkar ka pendap ya Kamra ya ka baki wai ki filmle ikan sepang ke border ikan sepang ke assembly ka baki arpau senam semdan basna kene ke sarkar kasna impet grovro hotel live hundred snam ke sakut kene ke sarkar ka ple bun ke bakane sarkar ka le kade kata ka penlong ni ki Paidbah ba kinong kerjaan janga yang in lek second